Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 5 of our one pot rice recipe series. And today's recipe is Vaalachi Khichdi, a traditional dish from Maharashtrian cuisine. This khichdi is made using rice, sprouted lima beans or vaal, coconut milk and spices. Before we dive into the recipe, if you have missed any of the previous episodes in this series, be sure to check the links in the description box below. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. So let us get started. I have taken sprouted lima beans or vaal here for this recipe. If you would like to learn how to sprout vaal, I have a detailed video for that on my channel. You'll find the link in the description box. Add some water to the sprouted vaal so that you can peel them easily. So here is our peeled vaal. Keep this aside for the time being. Next, wash a cup of rice a couple of times until the water runs clear. Then soak the rice in fresh water for about 30 minutes. Next, we'll make a masala paste. Into a blender jar, add the garlic, ginger, green chillies, and fresh coriander leaves. Blend this to a fine paste and set this aside. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pressure cooker. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of asafoetida, and chopped onions. Saute this until the onions turn golden brown in color. Now add the green masala paste. Saute this for a few seconds until it loses its raw smell. Next, we'll add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 teaspoon of red chilli powder, and a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix this well. Add the peeled vaal and mix well until they are coated with the masala. Add salt as per taste, add a teaspoon of jaggery powder and mix it. Now add the soaked rice and give it a quick mix. Now we'll add a cup of coconut milk, water, and give it a gentle mix. Close the lid and pressure cook for 3 whistles. Open the cooker after the pressure releases naturally, and there your Vaalachi Khichdi is ready. Fluff up the rice using a spoon. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves and serve hot. If you liked the video, do hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.